Hello guys, welcome to CodeROG tutorials. Today we are going to fix common Flutter issue just within 2 minutes. Let's try the command Flutter Doctor. Here we can see the issue. 2 Android Studio installations showing here. So we have a quick fix for that. Let's try this command. This command will reset Android Studio directory from Flutter config. Now we need to restart our editors and command lines. Let's try Flutter Doctor command again. So it worked. If you guys need help, leave a comment.